Welcome to my comprehensive review of HubSpot Marketing Hub. In today's video, we'll dive into the core features that make HubSpot one of the leading platforms for businesses aiming to improve their marketing strategies. HubSpot offers a robust suite of tools that helps businesses with email marketing, lead generation, analytics, automation, and more. The platform is designed to simplify marketing efforts and improve overall campaign effectiveness, especially for businesses focused on inbound marketing. To start, HubSpot's dashboard is easy to navigate. Upon logging in, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface that provides an overview of your marketing efforts. From here, you can access a wide variety of features like email marketing, social media management, and content creation tools, all integrated into one platform. This makes it easier to track your campaigns and analyze your performance in real time. The email marketing tools are impressive, offering customizable templates and automation features that allow you to send targeted messages based on user behavior. Whether you're sending newsletters or promotional emails, the platform allows you to segment your audience and send personalized emails that increase engagement. HubSpot's email tool also integrates seamlessly with the CRM, allowing you to leverage customer data for more effective campaigns. When it comes to lead generation, HubSpot shines. The platform offers tools like forms, pop-ups, and landing pages to capture leads and convert visitors into potential customers. The forms are easy to create, and you can design landing pages with just a few clicks. You can also set up automated workflows to nurture leads and guide them through your sales funnel. Another standout feature is HubSpot's Analytics dashboard. It offers detailed insights into your marketing efforts, including website traffic, email performance, and social media engagement. You can track the success of individual campaigns and gain valuable insights that help you optimize your future marketing strategies. The platform makes it simple to understand your metrics and make data-driven decisions to grow your business. Many useful links can be found in the description below. These links are not related to HubSpot but offer resources that could help you improve your digital marketing efforts even further. I encourage you to explore them after watching this video. Overall, HubSpot Marketing Hub is an excellent choice for businesses looking to streamline their marketing efforts and drive growth. The ease of use, powerful tools, and deep integrations make it a top contender for anyone looking to enhance their marketing strategy. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials.